Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So we are learning how to draw our eyebrows. These are what we need: razor blade, as you can see, we need our spoolie, and then finally mirror, and of course your hand. So for the procedure, first of all, you brush your eyebrows sideways as you see me doing here. Then if you notice, under of your eyebrow, the lower part of your eyebrow has a natural curve it comes with. So just follow the natural curve of your eyebrow so as to get the best result, to help you have a more natural look. So first of all, you shave down following the line. You bend the razor blade as you can see me do. You curve it a little. Be careful if you're just starting, because you might harm yourself, but practice makes perfect. So you just brush it downward as you see me explaining here. So just take your time and shave off the hair from down. I'm trying to position so that you can see me as clear as possible. So you just take your time and be very gentle. So you don't injure yourself. You see, it's already looking fine, right? This is the first step, so don't forget sideways and then follow the natural curve of your brow. Ensure it is clean. If you see any hair, you take it out. You still sideways. So next is, you see me the way I'm trimming the top part of my eyebrow. I start from down. I'm now following the top part just to clean the area surrounding your brows so that you can have a clean looking brow. Now you have to brush downwards using your spoolie as you can see me do. This is to make it more aligned. You see the result, don't worry, just stay tuned. You see hairs already on our perfect line we were having, so you follow the hairs and take it out. Don't forget, follow the initial carving you did. Follow the initial carving you did and shave off any hair, any excess hair you notice. Any hair that is more down than the line you created, ensure to shave it out. You see, as you can see, it's looking good, everything out. You still take it down if you are not sure. Just ensure you have something clean before you will be good to go. So just take your time, don't rush, and be careful. So it's the same thing I was doing, just taking out the remaining hairs I noticed that were still down. I hope you're able to see, trying to zoom in so you can see clearer. Don't forget to be gentle so you don't injure yourself. See, excess hair. So after that part, we're moving to the next. See, you brush it upward. So don't forget sideways, downward, then now upward. So you take your razor. You see some hair, excess hair is showing above the line you initially created. So you use a razor to trim it off. Don't forget to follow the initial curve, the initial carving you made. So just follow through. You can see me do you here. So just making sure there's no excess hair left. How this is looking good already, right? Okay, now brush sideways again to ensure there's nothing. And there you go. You're having a perfect brows. How do you say it? If your hair is excess, you can trim the top. Thank you so much for staying through all through. Until some other time. For now, bye bye.